Over 73,000 firewalls, 194 countries, and big companies like Chevron, Samsung, AT&T, and Toyota, all of them got compromised. And hackers didn't even use zero-day vulnerability to do that. This is a 40 bleed and it is just happened yesterday, so let's break it down. What is 40 bleed? 40 bleed is the name given to one of the largest credential compromise campaigns ever seen targeting any firewalls. Security researchers discovered an exposed server containing massive database of valid Fortinet FortiGate firewall credentials like username, email address, and plain text password, organized by country, industry, and organization. The data was first discovered by security researcher Bob Diachenko, who flagged the server publicly. From there, firms like Hudson's Rock, Sock Radar, Arctic Wolf picked it up and picture got much darker. So let's understand how did it happen. Here is the part that should make every IT team uncomfortable. This campaign didn't exploit zero-day vulnerabilities. Attacker used automated tools and scripts to scan the internet for exposed Fortinet firewalls and their VPNs. Then they broke it using list of previously known passwords. Once inside, a primary CVE linked to FortiBleed is CVE 2026 24858, a FortiCloud SSO SAML authentication bypass with CVSS score up to 9.8, which allowed attackers to authenticate without a valid credential, and then they created a local admin account for the persistent. And then they exfiltrated the configuration files. Then real magic happened. The attacker intercepted SSL VPN authentication, cracked hashes on 45 GPU cluster managed via Hastopolis, and pivoted into internal Active Directory environment for the follow-up on exploitation and persistence. We are talking about a professional, well-resourced operation. This is assessed to be a Russian-speaking multi-operator group conducting large-scale credential harvesting. They processed 1.16 billion credential attempts against over 320,000 FortiGate targets, 1.16 billion attempts. Now let's talk about the numbers. A threat actor has been systematically hacking Fortinet firewalls and VPN gateways and compiling a database of verified credentials, and that affecting companies and government organizations across 190 countries, with many devices located in United States, Canada, Australia, and India. The dataset exposed a massive automated operation that represents roughly 50% of all Fortinet firewall devices currently facing to the internet. Think about that. Half of every FortiGate exposed to the internet may be in this database right now. Whether you are an IT admin, a business owner, or just someone who uses the internet, this matters to you. Firewalls are the front door for any corporate devices or network. Once the attacker have those credentials, they don't need to hack anything else. They just log in. From there, they can access internal systems, steal data, plant ransomware, or sell the access to other criminals on the dark web. And because they look like legitimate admin traffic, most security tools won't even flag them. So, what to do right now? If your organization runs Fortinet's FortiGate devices, here is your action list right now. Number 1, patch immediately. CVE 2026 39808, CVE 2026 39812, and CVE 2026 25089 are actively being targeted in the wild. Fortinet has already released patches, so apply them today, right now. Number 2, rotate all the credential. Every admin account, every VPN user on FortiGate devices. Assume all the passwords are already in the database. Number 3, audit your exposure. Check if your FortiGate's management interface or SSL VPN login page is reachable from the public internet. Whitelist to only certain IP ranges. Number 4, check Hudson's Rock free domain lookup tool to see if your organization appears in the FortiBleed dataset. Number 5, review Active Directory for new or suspicious admin account. Remember, the attacker's goal after getting into the AD is the persistence. FortiBleed is a masterclass in why password hygiene and patch management still matters in 2026, even if you are running enterprise grade hardware. The most sophisticated firewall in the world means nothing if your password is leaked in their database. If you found this useful, share it with someone, your manager, your IT team, anyone running the Fortinet gear. This is happening right now. Stay safe. My name is Roshan from the Cyber Patel. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.